Remove the instrument and all accessories. Remove the 2 screws on the back of the machine. Remove the bracket. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Align the connector, plug it in, and rotate to tighten. Connect the phase RF, body RF, color light microcurrent handle in turn. Arrow direction up. Align the hose and insert it firmly. When you hear D, the connection is in place. Insert the hose into the overflow. Plug it in when you hear D. Catch it in a container. Insert the funnel hose into the water inlet. Plug it in when you hear D. Fill the funnel with about 100 milliliters of pure or distilled water until there's water coming out of the overflow. Remove funnel hose and tubing by pressing down on metal tabs. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Tap Start. The handle lights up red. The handle is working. Use with gel or RF cream. Operate in a slow, even circular motion or in an even gliding motion. Tap Start. The handle lights up red. The handle is working. Use with gel or RF cream. Operate in a slow, even circular motion or in an even gliding motion. Tap Start. The handle lights up red. The handle is working. Use with body slimming cream or radio frequency cream. Operate in a slow, even circular motion or in an even gliding motion. Use with gels, essences and masks. Operate under seal. Apply to the head and work in a combing motion. Wipe any residual media from the handle with a damp towel moistened with a mild detergent. Wipe again with a clean, damp towel. Finish with a dry towel. All handles can be sterilized with an alcohol-free cleaning solution before use. Other handles clean the same way.